या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। शांति शांति। हरि ओम। शांति। योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा अलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा अलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत् तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानीतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानीतोऽस्मि। Who vanished the impurities of the mind through the yoga and impurities of the words through the Vyakarana and the impurities of the body through Ayurveda. I bow down to that greatest Muni Patanjali and seek his blessings with the blessing of Ma Katyayani Ajura Devi. I, Dr. H.S. Misra, a medical scientist and yoga specialist of RDTS, wants to appeal to fight against the problems produced like coronavirus in India and whole world, having the chief aim to save the humanity from dangerous diseases, trying since 1996 as my best possible level. Honorable Chief Justice of India, President and Prime Minister of India, with Honorable President of all over countries, with Honorable Chief Minister of UP and other states of India. Dear Sir, being greatly woeful for taking action against the problem caused by coronavirus in all over India and world, getting highly inspiration and blessing of Ma Ajura Devi, I, having the qualification of a yogic medical scientist of India, Feeling heartily sorrow for the problem, I want to say something to solve the raised problem before humanity. If there is any fault, kindly be excused me for that. Dear sir, I am an ex-medical officer of Central Hospital, NCL and NTPC, Government of India, with completing 2 years regular course of Master of Yogic Science and Research from Utkal University, Odisha. Presently working as yogic medical scientist with the support of RDTS, means Research on Disease and Treatment Society, an NGO of MZP UP, India, for research purposes to implement a medical scientific principle of RTWDAMT, means right working direction of the action of medicine of treatment in all over India and world to save lives of lakhs of people suffering with critical, hopeless, dangerous diseases, even when returned from AIMS, Delhi, SGPGI, BHU, and other reputed medical institutions of India, or even after failure of chemotherapy, and collecting the treatment records for the treatment of dangerous diseases like produced by even coronavirus. As today, as I have felt such types of dangerous diseases and raised condition and failure of medical science before 1996, as justified by my first announcement letter as an appeal to intellectual peoples of India, which was circulated to many peoples and my concerning service authorities, but no one has given attention about this. So, being helpless, I started to search out the causes of such type of diseases and their solution. Till date, suffering with great problems, but found nothing except such treatment records, which probably could have not been superseded by any medical agency. Basis of the treatment of RDTS. The universal basic principles of the treatment of RDTS are the universal natural scientific truth that is prevailing everywhere, whether it may be admitted or not by anyone, as following. The principles are: number one, everything has to be destroyed which has been born in this universe, whether how it will be destroyed, it may be understood, known to us or not. The second, every poison is destroyed, neutralized by its like own poison. The third, every action has followed by its equal and opposite reaction. Fourth, everything which is in the physical form today in present becomes dynamic and unseen even by any microscope, while it could be realized by yogic minded peoples. The fifth, nothing can come from nothing. The sixth, the real causes of all types of grievances are confliction and confusion of the mind that may be resolved by Gyan Yoga and with concentrated yogic minded people. All above principles are associated with medical science and quantum principle of physical science. Thus, such type of treatment records have been found with the principle of RTWD-AMT and with the yogic herbal essential energetic nutritional dynamic bioforce harmless combination for the patient of only RDTS for research purposes under my supervision by the RDTS and under Department of Ayush of India with coordinated support of all types of system of treatment. For example, a very peculiar patient is being treated by the Dr. H.S. Misra, RDTS, is getting so high valuable treatment records which cannot be got even by any medical agency of India or world without knowing the principle of RTWDMT, the concept of RDTS. If the patient would be arranged for proper treatment of RDTS for admission in our treatment center, the relief will be got nearly 10 times more soon than present time. The chief work of such combinations are to produce such immunity in the body that fight against any critical diseases, even as like caused by coronavirus. So, for the problems caused by coronavirus, an attempt for trial may be supported by the concerning authorities of India or even world for the treatment prevention of the diseases based on vaccine therapy, even like for coronavirus, under the treatment concept of RDTS by Dr. H.S. Misra. As an yogic medical scientist, the result of action taken by us may come within 2 to 4 weeks with cheapest, best, harmless, easiest way based on vaccine therapy under Department of Ayush. If full support will be given by Government of India or any authority to work dissolving opposing factors, granting justice for my related problems for the treatment. Kindly be excused me for that no other explanation could be given at this situation due to so many reasons. This statement is being given after consideration of the problems caused by coronavirus on the basis of the 40 years of the experience of medical practice and research activities by me. So, for the need, necessary kindful action may be taken and may be consulted on mobile number 8707451454 and 9793626736. Email Dr. Harishankar Misra 419 @gmail.com. Dr. Harishankar Misra, RDTS, Saripatti, Mavaiya, Mirzapur, UP, India. With the blessing got by Ajora Devi. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Yogic Medical Science. Thank you.